team sika Regreg no je ewo Morocco no je $180,000 a month. Coach and he did Hervé at Saudi
Arabia.
He's on $500,000 a month. And the person that president na ka check na if President Mahama any mistake be ma we wouldn't see it as a mistake because in 2014 the biggest disgrace in sports in Ghana history I what John Dramani Mahama suffered under football people. How they twisted his arms to fly money from he was the president. Yes. I am not here to advise him. He knows best. He has seen it. He has seen what the football people can do to him. And now Fekra Nambeka maybe 87.9 Ghana coach because did Dramani Kobo Mran fire because work up na bujavani eguya kete kofa otwado bre omo pomuka se coach Bashir for Kobo fire yam preso makofa coach ya be man $150,000 ya man $200,000 coach no magician a dear team ni build ya and two of us are coach na Japan and walk up we apart from Katokreku Henry Asante Chum John Penzer our makers a team with my boss semi final could do final one what is it or yeah analysis of this team have you seen the Congo team? Congo will beat us and every day if the game is played at Jubilee House Green Park no where 6 matches Congo will beat us because they have a coach. That man that's very or something. He has built a team over time. Go and check the type of football they play. These blasters that could not play Sudan, Niger, and not half of the teams I share no more share tozo. Na me sian feme man anga se bi. Teams and the tadi team share mo. Anu mo share dem Japan. Na me sian fem. Na ma fere. The biggest team I'm here team na ba ya share Mali. Mali.
Yeah.
And you saw woman away World Cup qualifiers. Check the rest of the list. And I'm supposed to that German president say, and you go fuck a drama beyond the a trophy winning trophy winner, winning trophies. I say a Tiamano $150,000. Near say Peter Manisika, near the amount of coach between now and the World Cup. It was a penny. World Cup Rankasano, your people by July, my boy.
Yeah.
March they wait April, May, June, July. I got 4 months. Yeah, World Cup every. That's only Yakobo. By July, yeah, Baba final near baby. Meanwhile, you know. Enti, His Excellency. Mumpe coach bia. Ni param go from Baby Beno. Yam Peba whom. Omina won for suffer the qualification to coach at the World Cup. Alian, our the qualification to coach there. Kimbalaso qualification, no. Omuma Bakum need you and World Cup.
Okay.
Na Japan. Osaki Obi after Achika said they took the decision on Friday and only communicated it on Monday. And after Jeff Omuni plan Rafa 800 application go him.